Hello everybody and welcome back to another lockpicking video. Well, in today's video we're going to continue on the nice package I got from a fellow German picker, picking these very nice old German locks. They were made even before Germany got reunited, and we'll pick these today. And in the last video I already picked this one, and I really enjoyed this vintage BKS. It's very nice. I picked it a couple times off camera now again, and I hope my tips how to approach this lock will help you in getting this open once I have sent it back to you. And what I noticed is, what I didn't show is how to gut it initially, and it's in a nice mechanism. Actually, it got back together really nice, which surprised me. But for gutting it, what you need to do is, can we get some light in here? Come on. So you need to get a flathead screwdriver in here, and then you can push on this detent down there, if my camera would focus. Come on. I have so many light sources, and still, now we see it for a brief moment. Well, you get the idea that detent in there just needs to be pushed in. This one, which is blurry right now, this one, yeah. And then you can slide it out, and then you can actually gut it. But I wasn't able to remove the detent pin. I don't know if it needs to be drilled out or so, but I tried off camera, couldn't get it completely gutted. Anyhow, that's so much on this very nice vintage BKS lock. Let's have a look at these Burg locks. They're now named Burg-Wächter. They still run under the number 116. They're a professional line by now. And yeah, these cannot be gutted. Both are 5-pin locks. The second number is just the diameter, so this is 50 millimeters. This is 40 millimeters in width, and you see that also the core is a bit wider in the 50 millimeter version. So let's put these in the vise and pick them. Okay, here we have the 50 millimeter version in the vise. This is the bidding, not too exciting. So let's get it picked using this 1.3 millimeter tensioner here on the pin side, and my favorite profile, PN07 in 0.6 millimeters. Let's go, starting from the back. Pin 5, good click. Pin 4, count rotation. And small click, back to 5, again a click. Let's see. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. So back to 4. So 1. 2 is binding now. Small click, and we got some core movement. It's a bit deeper of a fourth set, and nice count rotation on 1. Now pin 3, tiny count rotation, and then it feels set. Pin 4 is up again, so count rotation here. And a lot of clicks, so let's see the front. Yeah, 2 needs again, 1 again, 2 again, oh no, 3, 4, 5, and we're okay. A bit of work, but yeah, they used to build good locks already back then. So let's get the 40 millimeter version. And see you back in a second. Okay, here's the 40 millimeter version. The bitting is a bit more exciting, also 5-pin lock, and yeah, despite the different size in the keyway, actually do we see that in the key? No. So it looks like the keyway is actually rather the same in 40 and 50. Just noticed that. So I'm using again the very same tools. So let's start. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding, but doesn't want to. Again, 3. No, back to 2. Okay, here we go. Now 1 is binding. It's a bit of a weird binding order. And I messed it up already. Okay, now 2. And 1. Okay. Now 3 is binding still. Okay. Nice full set now. 4. Count rotation on 4. I think I got it. So hopefully only 5 should be left. Let's see. Yes. There we go. Okay, nice. So yeah, I think this is full of spools, maybe some standards, but yeah, good locks already back then. I mean, these were built when Germany was still divided in East and West Germany, so before 1990 or 1991, depending. I think this would be 1991 when they made it official. So yeah, if you're still here, thanks for watching. And again, thanks for sending me these locks. I always love trying different locks, and yeah, super happy to try them. even or especially if they're vintage like this, because yeah, these you cannot just buy in a store. You need to buy them secondhand and so on. So thanks that I could take the opportunity, and thanks to everybody who's still here watching. I really appreciate you all, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.